Welcome to our 1 week house in Finland. Let's have a look inside. Daar is mijn man, hij kan wel uitleggen. Dat is our cocoa. And we have here a sofa. With salon tafel. And we have here our kitchen. That's our kitchen. And we have upstairs our bed. So upstairs is our bed. Yeah, here's a bed. Oh yeah, here is also a bed here. Oh. Oh, where is the light? Oh, here. Here's also a bed. There's 1-person bed. And 1-person bed. And here is a kledingkast. Closet. Oh. That is our closet. Another closet. Oh, that's for cleaning. And let's have a look. Here you can hang your jacket. What is that? And that's, oh, that is our sauna for 1 week. Here you can douche. Here you can take a bath, shower. And here is our sauna for 1 week. Wow. Okay. What is this? Oh, that's toilet. This is our toilet. Where's the... Okay. This is our toilet. Oh, it's gonna be say hoor. And upstairs, let's have a look upstairs. Hey, radio. Hij is gelijk met de radio bezig. Oh yeah, I show you, we have here oven. Have here an oven. We have a toaster, we have an coffee apparaat, and we have here a refrigerator. Ah, is dat ook boter? Olie bedoel ik. Oh, wat is dit? Of koel, die vries ook hier. Oh, kijk eens. Oh. We have enough wine glass and for the whiskey glass. Let's have a look upstairs what they have here. Ooh. Here is another bed. Here's another bed. And you can see from down there. There's our sala. And here's another. Oh, here is second toilet here. Here's also toilet upstairs. Oh, ik heb phone. Yay! And hair dryer. Most important. This is the most important for me. And hair dryer. And here's another bedroom. Here's another bedroom. Again, bedroom here. And a closet. Another door. Okay, I think that's it. That's it. So we're going to unpack now our luggage. He's now busy. So bye for now, guys. And see you to our next vlog. Out Finland.